All right. Good morning, everyone. It is 7:46 in the morning on 16th of July, 2021, and today I am taking the family to the zoo. The Tomorrow is my oldest son's birthday, and I've got some family from out of town who's come in to celebrate his sixth birthday with us. And we're going to go to the zoo today on Friday. If you're ever in Baltimore, Maryland, one of the things that is, I would imagine, is least known about Baltimore, Maryland is their zoo. It's incredible. It's in the middle of the city, and you would never know you were in Baltimore City if you landed by helicopter, blindfolded, flying over Baltimore, and were just plopped into the zoo by helicopter. You would never know that you were in Baltimore City. It's amazing. It's an enormous zoo, and it's really it's beautiful, and it has incredible exhibits. So, uh, yeah, we're going to the zoo today, and then I'll be back on Monday. So there won't be a recap today. This is just going to be kind of a general thing. Let's kind of check out what's going on here. Bitcoin is down here close to support. This is an important support area. We've had one, two, three times where this support line held. If it breaks today, it's and holds down below, then it's going for this neckline right here. There's another little head and shoulders. This isn't exactly a reversal though. I mean, the previous trend was up. This reversal has already occurred, and so this might be less a head and reversal. Like this little pattern down here might not be a head and shoulders reversal. It's not, because the trend is now down. The trend is now bearish. This might be a continuation of the Wyckoff pattern. This might be the last leg here. Let's do a search for the Wyckoff. Wyckoff. Wickof. It's accumulation or distribution. Let's see. Distribution. Let's see if we can get the image here. Yeah. So this is the general. This guy right here. How do I zoom in on that? Copy image. Or save image. No, rolling. Let's go to paint here. See if I can paste. Save image as. Yeah, downloads, that'll work. We'll go here. File. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's go. Save. Let's go to my downloads here. There we go. That'll work out. So here we have the Wyckoff distribution, and let's go back to Bitcoin here. This is almost, there are a whole bunch of pieces there's phase A, B, C, D, and E in the Wyckoff distribution pattern. And this pattern right here, I mean, it's almost textbook. Let me hide. I've got a whole bunch of lines on this chart. Let's just kind of take everything out. Let's get everything out of there. And so you can do sort of a side-by-side comparison here. Phase A, and I've forgotten what like PSY, BCAR, ST. I've forgotten what this is. All these things mean, but basically, you see, you've got on the Wyckoff distribution here. You've got these three peaks right here. There's 1, 2, 3. Then there's a sort of a phase A, phase C. Yeah, this thing is in the last phase here is phase E, which looks like it's about to enter, which is going to bring Bitcoin down pretty far. That's the way it looks to me. So I can go through and relabel that Bitcoin, the sort of the Wyckoff, all the pieces to the Wyckoff. But I mean, look at this thing; it's really quite similar. So yeah, it looks like we're in phase D right now. Sort of this. Let's see if I can bring back the correct vertical line here. Yeah, this section right in here is looking a lot like phase D right here. So yeah, all right, everybody. If you're in Bitcoin, you know it's not looking too good. All right, so let's see, large cap movers. Let's go to portfolio, SPY. Take a look at the 10-minute. If it opened up right now, oh, pardon me, it would open up 0.13% higher. Let's go to our indicators. VIX. The VIX is working on, it's hanging out here in between the support line and the bottom of the gap. So I definitely want to see the VIX break down below this gap right here. Or I'm sorry, break down below this support line right here. We've had two tests. The third test is usually the one you get, you know, a little toe in the water here, then a true test. There's one close below the support line, and then the third time it comes into it, you can expect after 2 or 3 days that'll fall down. So yeah, let's see what else is up here. Metals. Let's look at silver. Silver is still under a lot of pressure down here. It would be nice to see silver gap up. A gap up back to 25.34 would make this sort of an island bottom right here. If it decided to gap back up, I'll just use the same color. If it decided to gap back up to this area right in here, then this would be an island bottom, and silver will be well on its way to making who knows what kind of highs. So we'll see what happens there. Gold, I don't pay too much attention to gold, although that's it just came back and filled the gap, and that's actually kind of the action that I'd like to see on silver. Let's see what else is going on. Small caps. See if there's anything popping up today. BLIN's popping up just a tad. That's if I were to guess, BLIN is probably gonna do something like that. Let's see if there's anything else on the small cap. This is my small cap list. It's just a few small caps that I play. I jump in and out of on occasion. When they start going back to their lows here. So ABIO, you can average into 1,000. Well, what I do is I'll average into 1,000 shares or so down here around its lows. Give it 6 months. Let's see, this is May. It's about a year. Yeah, May to May. And it'll pop back up again one day. And, so like if you have 1,000 shares, it costs you about $3,000 down here. And then you just come into the office one day and it's popping up past 20. I mean, so let's see what else is going on. I'm not going to trade today, but I definitely like to come in and check out the market. Here, let's go to crypto. So the cryptos that I'm paying attention to, I think these things have quite a bit further to go because Bitcoin is about to dump. So, for example, Sino Global Shipping. I've been keeping an eye on this one. They're doing cryptocurrency mining. And as long as Bitcoin's under pressure, I think the entire crypto market's going to be under pressure. But essentially, if I can get into a position here, around $1.50, then it could take another 2 or 3 months, but it looks like it's going to happen. The Sino is a global shipping company that has recently gotten into crypto mining, and there's something about if it can continue to do shipping and integrate cryptocurrency exchange, within shipping. There's something I find, and I nailed it actually. I remember I've been thinking about this on a while. I should have taken a note, and I was like, that's why it makes so much sense. And I can't remember what it is now. But anyway, Sino, this is a global shipper. They're a small cap. They're pretty small time, but they do ship. They do conduct global shipping operations, and so they're a global shipper slash cryptocurrency miner. And there's that combination just is really attractive to me. So there's something about it, and I was thinking about it for probably months. I was like, why does that interest me so much? And then I was like, oh, that's why. And now I can't remember what it was. So I'll be looking for an opportunity to average into this thing around $1.50 per share. Investing View. Investing View's taking a tumble down here below 12, and it's going back down to like 6 cents and so forth. It's if it doesn't catch support at 12, then this thing's headed a lot further down, which will be at around 5 cents a share, 6 cents a share. It's a pink sheet. But they have plans of getting relisted onto, I don't know if it's the NASDAQ or the wherever, I don't know. But they just recently did an approval for a 1-for-20 split. So they've got plans to get listed again with the NASDAQ, get out of the pink sheets, out of the over-the-counter market, and back onto, I don't know, the NASDAQ, I'm not sure. This thing, I'm going to put a marker here on, put it at 5 cents. At 5 cents a share, I'm going to start aggressively averaging in. Let's see, what else have we got? No, batteries. Let's see what batteries are doing. RMO. RMO is well below its any of its previous prices there. That's interesting. Berkshire B owns Duracell. There's Energizer. Energizer's I did, okay. So Energizer, I made some money on Energizer a couple times. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with Energizer here in this area. Right now it's on its way down. All right. And then there's QS. Fairly new stock. All right. So that's kind of somewhat of my morning routine. Okay. All right, everybody. Good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at Monday morning's strategy session. I am out.